In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages in Excel. First, open Excel so you can work in a blank worksheet or an existing file. Make sure you have the numbers you want to compare, like a part and a total, or an old value and a new value. Having clear labels for each column will make the results easier to read later. Next, click the cell where you want the result to appear. Choosing a dedicated result cell helps you keep your source data untouched and makes your sheet easier to maintain. Now enter your formula. Every Excel formula starts with an equals sign. For a basic percentage of a total, type an equal sign, then the cell for the part, a forward slash, and the cell for the total, like EA2, B2. Press enter. Excel will compute a decimal, such as 0.25. That's the correct value. We'll format it so it looks like a percentage. With that result cell selected, go to the Home tab and click the percent style button, the one that shows a percent sign. Excel will display 0.25 as 25%. This is just formatting, so the underlying value stays the same. Important tip, don't multiply by 100 in your formula if you plan to format as a percentage. Excel handles the conversion for you. If you need more or fewer decimal places still on the Home tab, use the increase decimal or decrease decimal buttons. This changes what you see, not the stored value, which keeps your math accurate while making reports look clean. Let's cover the most common percentage formulas you'll use. To find what percent one number is of another, use part divided by total. For example, each equals A2, B2, and format as a percentage. To measure percentage increase or decrease, use parentheses. See new value, old value, then format as a percentage. Positive results indicate an increase, negatives a decrease. To calculate an amount based on a percentage rate, multiply the base by the rate, like Al's price cell, rate cell. If the rate is entered as 10%, Excel treats it as 0.9 automatically. To apply a discount or a markup in one step, multiply by 1 minus the discount or 1 plus the rate. For example, each equals price, 1 discount for a reduction, or each price, 1 plus rate for an increase. Time-saving tip, when you plan to copy formulas down a column, lock constant cells like a single rate with the dollar sign, for example, B1, so the reference doesn't shift. And that's it. Open Excel, select your result cell, write the formula, format as percentage, adjust decimals, and use these patterns for everyday percentage tasks.